Welcome to the world of Scandinavian elegance and timeless design. IKEA's new Stockholm 2025 collection has arrived, bringing a fresh wave of stunning furniture and home accessories that blend modern minimalism with warm, natural materials. From statement lighting to handcrafted glassware, every piece is designed to elevate your space with effortless style. Let's dive in and explore these must-have new releases for April 2025. 1. Stockholm 2025 Vase. This isn't just a vase, it's a statement. With its rich black stoneware and playful bubble texture, it's like a modern art piece that just happens to hold flowers. The mix of glossy and matte glaze makes it feel alive, shifting in the light. Whether it's brimming with blooms or standing solo, it commands attention. 2. Stockholm 2025 Table Lamp Drenched in Sunshine. This table lamp is pure joy. Wrapped in 100% linen, its golden glow radiates warmth, making any room feel instantly inviting. It's more than just lighting, it's an atmosphere. A nod to Scandinavian design, it balances function and beauty effortlessly. 3. Stockholm 2025 Side Table on Casters. A side table that moves with you, literally. Designed with hidden casters, it glides effortlessly wherever you need it. The oak veneer finish gives it a sleek, timeless look, while its high edges keep everything in place. Whether you're hosting guests or just need a stylish storage solution, this trolley is the perfect companion. 4. Stockholm 2025 Candlestick Tealight Holder. Why settle for one function when you can have two? This solid brass-colored beauty flips between a tea light holder and a candlestick, depending on your mood. Sturdy, stylish, and endlessly versatile. It's the perfect finishing touch for a cozy night in. 5. Stockholm 2025 glass door cabinet show off your favorite pieces in style. This oak veneer cabinet lets your treasures take center stage while keeping them protected. The milled-in handles keep the design clean, and adjustable feet ensure stability. No need for wall mounting. Just place it, fill it, and admire. 6. Stockholm 2025 Tea Light Holder. It looks like ice, but it brings warmth. Crafted from thick borosilicate glass, this tea light holder captures the essence of Swedish glass art. Light a candle inside and watch the glow flicker through its icy form, transforming your space into a cozy retreat. 7. Stockholm 2025 Bowl and Dish Everyday Elegance, served in brass. Whether you fill it with potpourri, store trinkets, or let it shine on its own, this duo adds a golden touch to your decor. Durable and dazzling, it's as practical as it is beautiful. 8. Stockholm 2025 Armchair Scandinavian Coziness Perfected. With soft, teddy-like fabric and solid oak legs, this armchair is as inviting as it looks. Its curved back and plush seat wrap you in comfort, while the minimalistic design makes it a timeless addition to any home. 9. Stockholm 2025 Coffee Table Sleek, airy, and effortlessly elegant. This round glass top coffee table is the centerpiece your living room has been waiting for. The oak veneer frame adds warmth, while the floating effect of the glass keeps things light and modern. 10. Stockholm 2025 side plate dining just got a little more dramatic. This matte black stoneware plate, with its handcrafted rustic look, brings bold contrast to your meals. Stackable and stylish, it's perfect for both everyday dining and special occasions. 11. Stockholm 2025 chair, a minimalist masterpiece. This birch veneer chair, with its woven linen seat, blends natural materials and sleek Scandinavian design. It's both sturdy and stylish, a chair that's as comfortable as it is beautiful. 12. Stockholm 2025 pendant lamp, a chandelier with presence. With cascading glass cylinders and brass-plated details, this lamp is pure elegance. Whether it's casting a glow over your dining table or lighting up your living space, it's a timeless showstopper. 13. Stockholm 2025 curtains. Nature meets Nordic charm. These cotton linen curtains, with their nature-inspired design, filter light beautifully while maintaining privacy. The black and white pattern brings a modern yet cozy vibe to any room. 14. Stockholm 2025 Table Lamp Classic, refined and effortlessly chic. With its textured fabric shade and a base crafted from natural travertine stone, this table lamp is as much an art piece as it is a light source. A true design staple. 15. Stockholm 2025 Mirror. A mirror that does more than reflect. Framed in warm oak veneer with brass accents, it brightens and deepens your space instantly. Hang it up and watch your room transform. 16. Stockholm 2025 20-piece flatware set, minimalism at its finest. This sleek black stainless steel flatware set turns every meal into a stylish affair. Modern, understated, and endlessly elegant. It's a dining essential. 17. Stockholm 2025 carafe, handcrafted sophistication. This mouth-blown glass carafe is perfect for wine or water, adding an artisan touch to your table. Simple, elegant, and effortlessly refined. 18. Stockholm 2025 rug, flat woven of forest under your feet. This hand-woven wool rug, with its intricate birch tree pattern, brings Scandinavian nature indoors. Reversible and durable, it's a design statement that lasts. And that wraps up our look at IKEA's latest Stockholm 2025 collection. Whether you're drawn to the cozy embrace of the new armchair, the artistic charm of the glass tea light holder, or the sleek functionality of the side table on casters, there's something here to bring a touch of Scandinavian sophistication into your home. Let us know your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design inspiration. See you next time.